If you have a house in Port Clinton, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave, and for over 14 years, myself and my team, we've been buying houses in and around Port Clinton. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it very simple for you, and we do that by buying the house in its as-is condition. So you don't got to fix a thing. You don't got to haul anything away. You don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to, run a mop or a broom across the yard. You don't got to do anything to the house whatsoever. We're a true as-is buyer, and what allows us to buy these houses as is we're a cash buyer. So that brings the benefit as well. We're not relying on some mortgage company or some lender or some bank to approve our transaction. That's what you get working with these traditional buyers. They're driving around with the real estate agents. They're making random offers. If your house or if their offer gets accepted, now the application process starts. Let's hope they qualify for this mortgage. And then if they're using a traditional mortgage, this bank or lender, they got to send a formal appraisal through your house. They got to send a formal inspection. It's typically just going to nitpick your house. And sometimes these banks or lenders, they want you to make repairs to the house before they'll close. And you're completely at the mercy of this bank or of this lender. When you work with us here, we're a cash buyer, so we're not relying on any third party, and we can close on the date of your choice. So if you need to close quickly, perfect. We can absolutely close quickly. If you need more flexibility or something needs to happen in your life before you can close, or you want to set a future date, we will accommodate your needs. We are local. This is not some call center located in some foreign distant land. We're here. We're going to treat you fair. And when you give us a call, our phone number, by the way, and you can write this down, our phone number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. That's just because we are founded in Columbus, but we're all over Port Clinton and Toledo and surrounding areas. And sellhousecolumbus.com or 614-300-5151. But when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We simply just need to know more about the house and then know more about your timeline and when you're wanting to close so we can accommodate your needs. There's never going to be added pressure. There's never going to be, fake urgency and gimmicks and sales tactics. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Port Clinton house. If our offer works for you, perfect. We're going to communicate clearly throughout this entire process and get this thing done for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never added pressure or obligations whatsoever. So if you have a house in Port Clinton, you want to get a fair cash offer on it, give us a call. Let's find out at least what your options are. Our phone number is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.